All right, hey guys, Kyle, Metro 57. So I'm gonna speak to how jobs get done. I don't check every job every day. What I do is I use subs, I use workforce. I don't have employees. The subs that I track with are people that I've used before. I hand hold them in the beginning stages when I do the first couple of jobs, and then there's eventually I can push them out to work with just instructions over the phone. I use a lot of my phone. I use a program called Sketch where I draw on pictures and I send them things that gives them instructions. They can send me pictures of the work being done, and sometimes I don't even have to go to the job to inspect the work, and I'm already having the client take a look at it and they say, yeah, it looks great, we're good, and I've never actually stepped on the property. This comes because of having, understanding of how to use your phone, how to use text, how to use emails. But in the case of using subs and holding their feet to the fire and getting stuff done, basically it's about holding money accountable. I'm not trying to be a a-hole about the way I handle money. What I try to do is just understand, if you give them money, the job will not get done, versus I pay them quickly. Job's done on a Thursday, they can get a check on Friday. Hell, as far as I'm concerned, if job's done at 8 a.m., I can get them a check by 5 p.m. I do that because my subs will jump through hoops to get things done. These things come with lessons learned by trying to do the other way. Hey, I need a check to start. Okay, and then he flies out and he's just gone. Or a new guy and you don't manage him tightly, he's gone. You use guys you trust, you trust them only as much as you can, and then you hold them accountable and keep that money till the end, until you get the job done, and then check your work. Have somebody check it if you don't check it. Even the maintenance guy on a site. I sent a maintenance guy by, he likes it, I just got blessed, we're good. So hope that helps. Give me a call if I can help. Kyle, Metro 57.